got 3 windows where we can advertise. That's a sign, Clearport Kitchens, that's the company that I have. Included is the Q van over here. It's a 2002 with only 136,000 kilometers on it. Also, I've got the trailer there, which I use for storage. 5,000 square feet.
Okay, after you, what do we got?
Okay, so starting over here, got a rack with multiple hand tools, portable tools. Then over here we have a downdraft table for sanding.
Okay.
Material. And coming over here, we have a 6-foot sliding table saw, which we use for making grooves for cabinets, for lots of different material. Then we got the dust collector there for the edge bander. Technoma edge bander, made in Italy. Works great, no problems. It does up to 3 mil edge tape, 3 mil thick. Polishes, cuts, does everything. Now over here, we have the boring machines. That's a Minimax, that thing is basically brand new. Okay, and then this is a case clamp to make upper cabinets. I had this custom made for me when we used to do production. With all the parts cut, you can make a cabinet every 2 minutes. Perfectly square. Up to 4 feet in height. Width, you can go up to almost 4 feet as well. And the depth is 12 inches. Another boring machine. Right here, this one's a little older, but it has a lot more functions. So over here we have all electrical panels with the 600 amps, 220, 110. Now if you look above, those are all the air lines that I've got throughout the shop. They're all connected. We come over here, we have more storage space. Okay, over here, our spray booth. That's a 10-foot wide spray booth. I have a second spray booth disassembled, which is behind here. Space, we've got doors here. All type of doors, material, brand new doors, which I'm going to include in the price as well. More storage. These are all brand new oak doors, not painted. A whole rack of them. There must be at least 150 doors here. Here we have the hinge machine to bore holes for the hinges. Once the hole is drilled, you get the hinge with the dowel. There you go.
That's it.
That's it. SCN 10-foot sliding table saw. The main motor was rebuilt last year, and the scoring blade was rebuilt about a year and a half ago. I guess miter saw table. Forklift. Caser compressor, can never go wrong. The tank is underneath. Now here we have an overhead router. You can actually make door frames and glass door frames with this. We have a joiner. and an orbital sander.
Okay.